What's up? I'm Christophe and I play drums in Fire Force. Starting to play drums at the age of 9. Not that serious, but starting getting more and more into it because my dad played drums in an Iron Maiden tribute band. And a classic story, starting to hit on things with everything that was possible. Spoons, pens, whatever what it was able to use as a drumstick, So started playing serious around 10, 11 age. And the rest is history, really. 20 years later, still doing it and still enjoying it. So that's the main thing, I guess. So yeah, the last few years I had the problem of breaking a lot of sticks. Because most of the people know I'm a really hard hitter. I don't know, I just like to bang hard on things and not basically on cymbals, because cymbals I keep safe, but it's more on taking constantly rim shots on my toms, on my snare, and the sticks I used before even could hold on one live set, so it was getting really frustrating. So a few weeks later, after the last incident, I started talking to Kenny Hertz, who is also a Collision artist. And he said, yeah, you should try the brand I'm endorsing. And I was like, never heard of it before, gonna be honest. But I was like, yeah, nothing to lose, so let's try it. And I was amazed by the durability they can take, because they even survived a live set. And normally the previous sticks didn't survive even half a set. So the durability they have is just incredible, So I really love it. So that's why I decided to, contact Collision. Thanks to Carl, by the way, the CEO of the company, who sent me amazing 5B sets. And as you can see, it goes on and on and on. But the cool thing is, we're now starting talking about my signature stick, and they're actually now in production, so I really can't wait to show it to you soon. And they're available everywhere, so during our sets or even at the merch stand, you can just get them and see for yourself what the durability they have. It's incredible. Okay, so the song I'm going to play for you guys is a song from my own band Fire Force, from our latest record, Rage of War. The song is called Running. For me, it's the best song on the record, the most intense song, betterly said, because it has a lot of rim shots, a lot of fills, all the crazy stuff, a lot of double kicks. So yeah, I hope you can enjoy it as well. You might will notice I use grips on my sticks. I don't have them on this right now because I have to show them, of course, because the logo would be disappearing. But I use just basic grips. You can get them at a local sports store or whatever. It's the same as you use on a tennis racket. But same result. Carl sent me the new Collision grips as well. And I'm really looking forward to try them out as well. So again, I hope you can enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you all very soon.